Hi guys, I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you guys how to upload your assignments in Canvas. I don't get to see it from the student view very often, so I rely on you guys in the help session to share your screen with me. But I thought that I could use a YouTube video to kind of help you guys see what it should look like for you on your end so that I could help walk you guys through it. So let's take a look at this screen, and this is just an assignment from another teacher for an essay assignment, and it doesn't matter what the assignment is, but you always have the assignment name and it'll have the submit assignment button. Notice you'll have your due date, your points, and how many times you have, how many attempts you have to um, submit the assignment, your allowed attempts and that kind of thing, and the file upload from Drive. You may just see the file upload is what they're asking you for, and that's okay. But what you guys need to pay close attention to is actually the next step after you hit this submit assignment button. Okay, so once you submit your assignment or hit this submit assignment button, you should see this box right here pop up. And what will happen is you'll automatically see the first thing chosen is your file upload. And it says choose file. Guys, do not choose this as your option, because if you do, this is telling your computer you want to select it from your drive, your Chromebook drive off of your physical laptop. That means you're going inside of your computer drive on your Chromebook and it should be there. It will not be there unless you have downloaded it to your drive, and that's not what I want you to do, okay? So don't do that. What I want you to select
And
is
clicking that button will bring up
what I want you to select is your Google Drive. You may see that you have two, but I want you to select the last one, and you should be able to see a search bar at that point in time. Guys, if you get this message whenever you click on the Google Drive, don't be scared. It just means that you may not have set up your drive or authorized your drive in the beginning. We did this the first week of school together, but if you weren't with us the first week of school or you weren't in class the first week of school, whatever the case may be, all you're going to do is sign in to your school email account, your CCS account, and then it's going to authorize that account for you. And you're going to click yes, authorize. And once you authorize and you choose your CCS account, if you should get that message, what you're going to see is your nice little search bar so that you do not have to search and scroll forever and a day inside of your Google Drive to try to find your assignment. If you have named your assignment, what I ask you to, your first and last name at the beginning of the title of the assignment that Miss Lee gave it, all you would have to do is copy and paste your assignment name right here in this search bar exactly like it is in your drive. Now, how would you do that? You could actually go to your drive in another tab, find your assignment, make sure that it's not a blank assignment and you made two copies of the assignment or whatever the case may be, and go ahead and go to your title of the assignment where you see you have your work that's on the document. Copy and paste the one you want, the title from the one you want, and then you are going to paste that title name right here. Now, sometimes it may tell you the title's too long, and that's okay. You can back the title up, backspace, adjust a little bit until you see your work pop up right here. And once your work pops up right there, then you are going to click on that and you will hit add, and that will add the work that you want to select for turning in. Okay? And guys, this doesn't matter what kind of assignment it is, if it's a Google Doc or a Google Slide or a Google Form, it could be any of those things. You could grab it from your Google Drive to turn into me. You would just select it. If it's your vocab on a Google Slide, that's how you would turn that in. You would select that and you would hit add, and then it would go back to the submission page, and then you would hit submit again. It's going to ask you if you want to attach the file. It's going to tell you it's going to change the share settings, which means it's going to give me permission to see your document. You want to hit attach, yes. You should now see that the assignment is attached. You'll see next to the word file, your assignment is attached right there, and this just happens to be a document, a Google document, but it doesn't matter. It could be a slide, it could be a doc, it could be a form. It does not matter, okay? And then you will see the submit assignment button, which you will now select. You will get this notification from Canvas that says it's processing your submission. You'll just hit OK. And then once you see that it has finished processing, you will see that it says submitted. And most of the time, this submission details with the date and the time are located in the upper right-hand corner. When you scroll back up on your document, your Canvas is a little more current than this version. Okay, I hope that helps you guys.